Ilunga le-MK uma ngazi ukuthi labantu bebegxeka uPresident Jacob Zuma bembiza ngamagama bethi uyibulela i-ANC. The very same people futhi bahappy ngokuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma uyibulela i-ANC ukuze kuzoba ne-GNU. Ibamangaze kakhulu-ke le ndaba abe-MK. Bathi okubamangaza kakhulu futhi le ndaba yokuthi bebethi abayifuni i-GNU kodwa futhi bona manje sebehappy ngokuba khona kwayo. Okushuthi bayamzonda uPresident Jacob Zuma, bamzondela into futhi abayithandayo bona.
I've been observing ukuthi most of the people who are saying Ubaba ubuleli ANC, who are bashing him and saying all the nasty things, are the very same people who are now praising Ubaba Wenkomo, praising ama-ministers eDA, praising i-GNU ukuthi this GNU is our last hope. Hey, bafethu, South Africa isiphila kuyo. The very same, I don't know ukuthi ngiyangizwa kahle. The very same people abathi Ubaba uNcamalala ubuleli ANC are the very same people who are happy ukuthi Ubaba uNcamalala ubuleli ANC khona kuzoba ne-GNU. Angazi noma ngiyangizwa yini. They are happy ngokuba khona kwe-GNU, but manje sesobona accountability ngokuba khona kwe-GNU. So Ubaba uNcamalala is the main catalyst ekutheni kube khona i-GNU. They hate him for that. He was a catalyst ukuthi kube khona i-GNU, but they are happy ngokuthi i-GNU ikhona. Yabona bafethu, abantu bakwa-Green, kunabantu kwa-Green who are very sick, like sick. Because you cannot be happy that certain people or one person has actually made sure ukuthi after he's been complaining and saying what is in his mind, that this is not what we actually went to exile for. We actually went to exile to liberate our own people. And then when they don't listen to him over the years, he decides that he is going to teach them a lesson. And then when he teaches them a lesson, the very same people who are actually blaming him for the lesson that he has taught them, they are also praising the people that he actually made sure that they come into power so that they can monitor this very ANC that is not doing right by the people. So they are saying now there's going to be accountability, we're going to see umsebenzi wama-minister and all that. But when, if kukuthi Ubaba uNcamalala bengazange aze ayivule i-MK, kube ne-MK, i-ANC ngabe ithole more than 50%, izinto zaqhubeka the way bezivele zingakhona all along. But ngokwenza kaBaba uNcamalala lokho, even though intention was not just ukuthi ufuna ukunyakazisa i-ANC, but kwakuwukuthi ufuna ukuthi abantu abamnyama nabo babe ne-share emnothweni walayiwa kuleli lizwe. Imagine ngabe kuthiwa i-MK liyathola 40%, kake sekuyeke lokhu ko-230. Imagine ngabe i-MK liyathola 40%, then kwaba iDA engaphansi nabakwa-Green baba ngaphansi ne-EFF. Uke wayicabanga leyo scenario ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani? Uke wayicabanga? Okay, asiyeke, but awuyicabanga, mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga we'll talk about it. But into ebalekile njengamanje ukuthi people are hopeful ukuthi they are going to see changes in the next 5 years. Who actually made sure ukuthi i-ANC does not get i-majority this time around? Ubani? Ubaba uNcamalala. Nimzondelani uma kuwukuthi nani niyabona ukuthi ANC sonke lesikhathi ibekade ingekho right? So nimzondelani ukuthi ku-ANC ubelwisa ama-leaders e-ANC ukuthi asicabangele abantu bengamlaleli. Ngokungalalelwa kwakhe waphuma kuma nje baqamba amanga bathi hayi is because he's bitter. He's not bitter. He is not bitter. Lo muntu lo kudala evinjwa ukuthi angangeni kubeni upresident wase-South Africa, kudala evinjwa. Lokho siyakwazi. Even namanje there are people who want him dead. They wish he was not there. They wish he did not exist because he is not one of them. He is not thinking like them. He is not fighting for the same thing that they are fighting for. He's fighting for the people. Ever since he was a young boy, he's been fighting for the people. So now, there is that problem that if this person can succeed he will be a hero and all of us will be cancelled. Shuthi izobe indaba yethu ingekho kuzobe kuthiwa thina yithi esifeyila abantu. So in order for him ukuthi angafiki kuleso stage sokuthi azanconywe ngokuthi kukhona into ayenzile, kumele simngcolise, simvimbe ngayo yonke indlela by any means necessary. So that's what they are doing. That's why even now they are happy, certain people, ukuthi he's out of the ANC. But the real fact ukuthi njengoba be-happy manje nge-GNU is because vele nabo bebazi ukuthi ANC is not for the people. So njengoba manje sekune-GNU sekuzoqala ukuthi kube noshintsho. Ushintsho oludala obani? Uyena ubaba uNxamalala. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi ngikhulume as if mhlambe ngibone ngathi ukuthola kwethu 14% was into right, but lokho yakuthola kwethu 14% kusebenzile eSouth Africa, kunikeza abanye abantu ithemba. Kodwa-ke thina asifuni 14% bafowethu. Niyazi nani ukuthi asifuni 14%. Silinde ukhetho olulandelayo ukuthi sizokwenza kahle. Nina enibone ngathi ubaba uNxamalala ucela ukudlala okwenu lokho, angesiphikisane nani. Kodwa thina into esiyaziyo ukuthi ubaba uNxamalala uyi-key player kwipolitiki yala eSouth Africa. Uyathanda, awuthandi, uyamzonda, awumzondi, ufuna ukumcisha, ufuna ukwenzani, okusalayo, he is that key player we need, or yile 82-year-old that we need in our politics la eMzansi. Ngizoyibeka lapho kwamanje.